प्रदूषण नियंत्रण मंडळान पणजे पर्यावरण दिसाची खासा कार्यावळ दवरिल्ली।
भस्मासूर केन्ना तरी पुराणान जाल्लो ताकाय बी नाच केलो, तसोच हो प्लास्टिकचो भस्मासूर तुम्ही आमी कोणी तरी नष्ट करूंक जाय। आमचे भितर आशिल्ले सायंटिस्ट जाणी हाका जन्माक घाला ताचोच ताणी शेवट करचो कसो रिसर्च करात।
11,800 tons we have collected, but a large number is also going, it is burned somewhere, it is going down the drains. So let us take a pledge and let us make a difference in our own life, in our own communities.
Rightly, this year's theme is also, if you can't reuse it, then refuse it. The tourist population should also be made aware that it's an eco-sensitive zone where plastic use is to be minimized, and the facilities for use of alternatives should be encouraged.
फोमेंतो मीडिया आणि बाकीच्या काही कंपन्यांनी मिळून परवरे मॉल दे गोवात बीट प्लास्टिक पोल्युशनाचेर जागृती केली।
Always committed to the environment and towards sustainable mobility. This is one of the steps towards a cleaner environment. Electric vehicles are now pollution free, and we are proud to be in Goa with the first vehicle, that is the Eco Plus.
To be associated with this great initiative by Fomento Media, the green initiative which is the need of the hour, and Mahindra Electric along with Mukhtar Automobiles, the sole distributor for Mahindra vehicles in Goa, is really proud to be associated with this initiative, and we wish Fomento Media all the very best in taking this initiative forward.
प्रुडंटा खातीर सिनियर व्हिडिओ जर्नलिस्ट तुळशीदास चारी आणि शिरीष कुकळेकर।